Hi friends, this is your friend, your mentor and your guide, Dr. S. Rishikesh Raju. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the odd even strategies in PRUM model. What is PRUM means parallel random access memory, in which the shared abstract machine going to be applied. So here the parallel computing going to be performed over random access mission. That's why it is called PRAM or parallel RAM. So there were two methodologies approaches that we are going to see under PRAM. One is odd even merge algorithm, and other is odd even sorting algorithm, where odd even merge algorithm takes two lists, where we can consider first list as x1 and second list as x2. From first list x1, odd indexed elements we are going to include in x1 odd, and even indexed elements we are going to include in x1 even. And similarly, when you come to second list x2 odd and x2 even, we are going to be framed. x2 odd consisting of odd indexed elements from x2 array, and x2 even consisting of even indexed elements from x2. Then we are going to integrate x1 odd and x2 odd. Then x1 even and x2 even are going to be merged. While you are merging, you need to keep them in ascending order using quicksort. And when you have the odd elements after merging and even elements after merging, then one element from that first portion, and later one element from even portion, that even portion going to be taken, and they are included in the output list. And the second element from odd portion and second element from even portion are taken and included in the output list. Like this, it continues till the last elements are extracted. So the output list may not be the sorted list. We are comparing one first element with the next element. If first element is less than second element, then okay. If first element is not less than second element, we need to swap. Second element then compared with third element. If they are less than second element is less than third element, then it's okay. If second element is greater than third element, we need to swap. Like that, we need to shuffle the elements in the final list, and all the elements should be in the ascending order, in the sorted order. That is the output list we are going to get from odd even merge algorithm. And coming to odd even sorting algorithm, where a single array going to be given, that we are going to divide into two portions by computing a middle position. So once we have left portion, right portion, we need to apply the knowledge of odd even merge strategy to that. That means from left portion, odd index elements we need to form as one group, and even index elements we need to form as another group. Same we are going to apply to another right portion, and odd portions from first left portion and right portion are merged, and even index elements from first portion and even index elements from second portion are merged. Then that odd portion final list, and even portion final list, that they are again merged by picking alternatively the elements from left portion, right portion. And final list we need to re-verify and reshuffle if they are not in sorted order. So that is the PRUMS algorithm and odd even merge algorithm and odd even sorting algorithm that we are going to see now through a PPT. And also with an example. So now patiently wait for a second, and we are going to go through the PPT so that you can clearly understand it. So thank you friends, wait for a second. Now you see the problem odd even merge algorithm. So odd even merge algorithm, this is odd even merge algorithm. So they were given x1 x2. So what I have to do, so x1 you note at one side and x2 you note at other side. So 1 7 13, 17, 23, 29. This is one list, and another list 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay. So, what is this odd even image that I already told? In odd indexed elements, we need to bring as one portion, and even indexed elements, we need to bring as another portion. So now this one 1 comma 13 comma 17. This one 7 comma uh, sorry, this one 23, not 17, 23 ma. 7 comma 17 comma 29. Similarly here odd index elements, similarly even index elements. So 10 comma 30 comma 50, and another set even index elements 20 comma 40 comma 60. Okay. So now this odd from x1 and odd from x2 are merged, and they were integrated into one array, and the elements are in standard order. They should be in standard order: 1 comma 10 comma 13 comma 13 comma 23 comma 30 comma 50. And another list if we take 7 comma 17 comma 20 comma 29 comma 29 comma 40 comma 60. Okay, so now we are going to form as one group. This one we are going to form as one group, but we are not guaranteeing all the elements are in certain order. Okay, we need to re-verify after forming one list. So one element from x1 odd portion, one element from even portion, they were taken and they were written. Then another element from odd portion and another element from even portion are taken and they written. They written. Then one element from odd portion and another element from even portion are taken and written. Okay. Then one element from odd portion, other element from even portion, they were taken 23, 29. Then other 30, 40. Then other elements 50, 60. Okay. So first element when compared with next element, they are in order. Then 7 compared with 10. So they are in order. So 10 compared with 17, they are in order. Okay. When 17 compared with 13, they are not in order. So the 17 and 13 were swapped. So 13 comes here, 17 goes there. Then 17 compared with 20, yes, they were in order. 20 compared with 23, yes, they were in order. Okay. Then 23 compared with 29, they were in order. Then 29 compared with 30, order, they are in order. Then 30 compared with 40, order. 40 compared with 50, order. 50 compared with 60, they were in order. Okay, so this is what to final list using even wedge algorithm. Okay, even wedge algorithm. So next we are going to another type of approach called odd even sort algorithm. So here one area is given that we need to break into half. So this is 4, another 4, another 4, another 4. 16 elements are there. 16 by 2, 8. Okay, so each x1 which is of of size 8, first 8 elements in x1 and the remaining 8 elements in x2. So 6 comma 100 comma 5 1 comma 55 comma 34 comma 21 comma 67 comma 56. These are the first 8 elements. The remaining x2, if you take x2, that also 98 remaining elements, so 89, then 10, 11, and remaining elements 77, 22, 25, 30. Okay, so now odd index elements. Okay, odd index elements, they were formed as one group. What are those? 6 comma 1 comma 34 comma 67. Even index elements, so you are forming into another group. Even index elements, they are formed into one group. So they were 100 comma 55 comma 21 comma 56. Okay, and parallelly this one odd and even, odd even. I am writing directly. Okay, so odd 98 10 77 55. Even if you take 89 11 22 30. Okay, this odd and from left portion and another odd from right portion, they were merged. So when they are merging, they should be inside 1 comma 6 comma 10 comma 34 comma 55 comma 67 comma 77. And even we need to merge. So 11 comma 22 21 comma 22 comma 30 comma 30 comma 55 comma 56 comma 56 comma 89 comma 100. Okay, now these two are merged and formed into one list. One element from odd portion and other element from first element from even portion are taken and they were written. Then one element from next element from odd portion, next element from even portion, they were taken and written. Okay, and continue that 10 comma 22 34 comma 30 55 comma again there 55 came, then 67 comma 89, then 77 comma 100. This is not final list, so we need to compare one element with the next element, so it is okay. But when you are comparing with 11 or 6, so they were not matched, so swap. The 11 compared with 21, yes, 21 compared with but they were not matched. 10 comma 21, but 10 compared with 11, 10 comma 11. Okay, so like that, 21 compared to 22, yes, same. 21 compared to 34, yes, same. When 34 compared to 30, they were swapped. 30 comma 34. 34 compared to 55, yes, 55. 55 compared to 55, 55 only. 55 compared to 67, yes, 67 only. 67 compared to 89, yes, they were 67 less than 89, okay. But 89 when compared to 77, they should be swapped. Okay, they should be swapped. Then 89 compared with 100, same. Okay, this is final list. So this is what odd even sorting. Okay, that's all, friends. So the thing when you here see, in odd even merge, if you see, two lists are given from first list, odd index and even index elements we are forming as a group, and another list odd index elements and even index elements are grouped separately. And from the two lists, odd index portions are merged, and from the two lists, even index portions are merged, and it will continue. And if you come to odd even sorting algorithm, a single array is given. We are computing middle element, and we are dividing that into two portions. Okay, two portions, and the same knowledge of odd even merge we are applying to odd even sorting algorithm. Okay, friends, so hope you understood the concept. So thank you, friends, for your valuable time to watch this video. So I hope this video is much useful to you. So I am asking you to, I am requesting you to like this video, subscribe to my channel, click on bell icon so that any new videos going to be posted in my channel that automatically get notification to you. Okay, friends, thank you.